you're having a great day. I am super excited because I have my December dot box to open. So I love how every month it seems like they're sending their box with like custom tape. So it says, what does it say? Happy holidays, my.box.com. Thank you for another year of awesomeness. I just love that like personal touch on the box. So if you don't know what Boxx is, it is a period subscription, but they really have an option for everyone. They have multiple subscription options. I get the adult Boxx, but they offer an option for like little kids, like little girls before their period, teenagers when they first get their period, adults, and then they also have an adoption for adoption. They also have an option for women who no longer get their periods to opt out of the period essentials, so you just get the lifestyle items in this box. So inside you get a curated box of items based on a profile you fill out when you sign up, and then a period essentials pack, which is also based on your profile, so you can like let them know if you like tampons, pads, whatever, all of that stuff. So yeah, I've been loving this subscription so much. I am going to link their website down below and all the information you will need, so if you want to check that out, it is there. But anyways, let's get this box open and see what we got for December. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. So this is on top. Oh, this is like a handout with all the items on the inside. This is different, and look, it's got like a pretty wreath on there. How beautiful is that? And on the back, it lists everything. So let's read what it says on top first. It says, it's our favorite time of the year. Y'all know how I feel about stocking stuffers. They're as important as turkey at Thanksgiving. December is the only month that's 100% survey based, so it's 100% about you. It's also the only month we include retail value. After buying white elephant or secret Santa gifts for work and checking friends and families off your shopping list, we want you to feel good about spending $40 on yourself because you're oh so worth it. Now you can enjoy the elements of surprise and dive right in, or you can check out this ginormous list of possibilities to read what you got. Let's do this. So it lists all the options you could have received and then checks off what is inside. So I'll just lay this right here to refer to throughout the unboxing. Wow, there are a lot of options. It's nice to see what they include because you know how I said it's personalized. Now you know how they pick things for you. I think I see a stocking. Gosh, I'm feeling like so festive. December is so fun. I think subscription boxes in December are just like, they just like kill it, seriously. So here is your classic stocking, red and white, and it is full of stuff. So this is so cute. Let's just pull out the first thing, I guess. Oh, nice, I needed that. I don't have one of these. I've been wanting to pick one up. This is by Revell. This is a detangler comb. I have so many brushes and stuff. I don't own any combs. So I heard this is really good to use combs when you have wet hair because brushes can be a little too harsh. So this is awesome. Oh, and you can hang it in your shower. Do you guys see that picture? I'm holding it weird. It says designed to separate and detangle hair, allowing you to brush and style with ease. Use a hangable comb in the shower and the wide tooth comb after to easily detangle knots. Oh, so there's two brushes. I thought it looked like that. This is awesome. Each comb has a smooth tapered edge that glides easily through the hair with less pulling and tugging. I'm actually like super excited about this. I'm totally gonna put one in my shower. I just washed my hair today, but in a few days I will totally try that out. Something smells so good, by the way. But okay, let me try and find this on here. This is such a long list of stuff. So the detangling comb set is $5. I think that's a fair price for that. Awesome. This is probably what smells so good. Spongel. I love Spongel. This is the Peace on Earth Peppermint Body Wash Infused Butter. This is for 5 or more uses. I love Spongels. Oh yes, it smells so good. It's not like super strong peppermint. It smells like just like festive holiday. Oh my god, I love this. And I love how it looks like this. Like you could put this on your tree or like give it as a gift. Oh, I love Christmas time. Okay, so let's see how much this is. I know Spongels aren't cheap. So this Spongel Holiday Ornament Buffer, this is $8. This is so fun to open. Okay, there's like, I don't know what this is. I think that's for another item. But it looks like we have some sheet masks in here, I believe, in this cute bag. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to reuse this for when I finally wrap stuff. Look how cute, there's like snowflakes on it and stuff. And yeah, it looks like we have 3 sheet masks here. You guys know I love masking. So this is by MetaHeal. I've tried them once before. I think I got this in like a pastry box. This is the Collagen Essential Lifting and Firming Mask. I didn't use this mask specifically, but the brand. So I could totally use some lifting and firming and collagen, yes. Love it. Next one is Premium Dr. Althea Essential Skin Conditioner Silk Mask. This one is moisturizing, so it's supposed to hydrate, refresh, comfort, and it soothes. It's made with witch hazel and boswellia serrata resin, if I'm saying that right. I like how this looks. It looks kind of like bougie packaging. And the last one, Soon Young, since 1988. That's my birth year. Sheet mask in panthenocide. I don't know what that means, but this is pure and mild. And pure, wow. 1988 is my birth year, and my name means pure. Did you guys know that? Caitlin means pure. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. This is full of stuff. Oh my god, what? This sounds so good. This is by JS Bath Bakery, Feelin' Smitten Coconut Coffee Sugar Scrub. Soak it up. Coconut coffee. This sounds like it smells so good. I don't want to open it and make a mess. I want to open it in the shower, but it says sugar-free, sulfate and paraben-free, sugar scrub, sulfate and paraben-free. Scoop out desired amount of scrub, rub gently to exfoliate skin. It says do not get water in the bag. It's resealable. This is so cute. Okay, so I didn't talk about the mask, or let's see what that price is first. The sheet mask ranges from $9 to $15, and this coconut coffee sugar scrub is $7. I can't wait to use this. That sounds like it smells so good. And there's still a lot of things in here. This is so fun. Ooh, this is pretty. I love stuff like this now. I've been wearing like hair accessories more. This is the Lovely Minimalist Geometric Hair Clip. It says it's $8. So you see one way she's wearing it there, and then on the back. Isn't that so pretty how she's wearing it? Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. Awesome, this is so pretty. And then we have a complete 4-step spa kit, Sweet Citrus. It says Invigorate and Energize by Avery Beauty. So the complete 4-step kit, it includes a soak to detoxify, deodorize, and heal, a scrub to exfoliate, stimulate, and soften, a mask to cleanse, tighten, and hydrate, and cream to relieve, nourish, and pamper. And I think this is for your feet. Because on the back you can see a little foot in one of the pictures. Okay, and this is in the mani or pedi set. This is $6 $6 pedi set. That's such a good thing. I could totally use some TLC. I need a pedicure. I should do it at home. I'm trying to like save money by only getting my like nails done, my hands, and then doing my toes at home. So I'm gonna have a little spa day soon. That sounds nice. Oh, I've gotten these in a box recently. I haven't tried them yet. This is by Alley-Oop Tip-Off Liquid-Filled Makeup Removing Swabs, and there's 24 in here. I think I've got them in Bombay and Cedar. I can't really remember, but I love the idea of this. I like how they're in this case too for like travel, or when you just can put these in your purse so when you're like on the go and you need to touch up some makeup. These are awesome. So let's see how much these cost. So these are $8. Ooh, it looks like we have a nail polish. It's by KB Shimmer Nail Polish in Deck the Claws. This is what it looks like. That is pretty. And this is $10. You guys, there is so much stuff in this box. It's crazy. Never ending. Oh yes, I love getting wax melts. I have 3 wax melters now. I have one going out in the hallway here. And I have Christmas scents. It looks like this is going to be Christmas scent too. It says, let's get lit. This scents are pine needle, orange, strawberry, and sugared vanilla. Oh my god, I'm so happy about this. Let's get it open. I'm a little like stuffy and like, I don't feel sick. I just am a little congested. I think it's that time of year, right? But I can definitely still smell this. Oh, it smells so good. I am so excited about getting these. I love candles, wax melts, all of them. So the Dot Box soy melts are $5. Can't wait to use those. I think there's like 1 or 2 more things in here. 2 more things. Oh yay, okay, one thing is by Jaden Madison, Intentions Sheer Tint Lip Treatment. So I saw like a piece of paper come out that said Jaden Madison on it. It says, let your lips speak before you even say a word. Whether you're a minimalist looking for a hint of pigment or moisture, or you're ready to experiment with something totally new, Jaden Madison lip products will soon be one of your favorite ways to top off your entire look. I've tried like 1 or 2 of their lip products in the past, and I think like Abadabs loves Jaden Madison if I can remember correctly, so I'm excited to try this out. Let me get the plastic off and I'll do a little swatch. This is a really pretty color. Let's see what it looks like. It has like a doe foot applicator. Ooh, pretty. I love this. I'm trying to see it. I don't think it has much of a smell. But I think this is a really pretty color. I'll definitely get some use out of it. Look, it's like shiny lip gloss. Love it. Love stuff like that. Right, and the last thing, oh wait, let me tell you the price. Sorry, I'm not used to having to read the prices, I guess. Wow, the Jade and Madsen Tinted Lanolin Lip Therapy is $20. That's expensive, but that's cool. So it has a bunch of good ingredients in it. It has lanolin, castor oil, cocoa butter, and matcha green tea butter and vitamin E to leave your lips feeling super soft. Says lanolin is pretty thick. Pump your wand in and out before use to activate the creaminess. It was pretty thick, but it was totally easy to apply and smooth out. Oh my god, what is this? This is so cute. Is this like a cat or a dog? It says cable accessory for iPhone, for official lightning cable of iPhone, decorate and protect cable. Oh, so like, you know, I don't know about you guys, but my cable always gets like kind of messed up at the end. Like, so I'm always replacing them, like getting new ones on Amazon. So this kind of like protects your phone, and it's like a little cute accessory. Like, how cute is that? So this is $6. And that was everything that came inside of the stocking, but there's still, oh my god, I'm so excited. There's still a lot of things in here, but sorry, I just got really excited because this brand has the best cookies ever. I can't wait to try these. Oh my god, I had like apple cider cookies from them like 2 months ago, and they, like, I still think about them. Like, they're so good. This is holiday cake batter cookies. Oh my god, drizzled in sweet icing loaded with holiday sprinkles. This is by Too Good Gourmet. These cookies are so good. Me and Nikki actually like looked up the brand online. I don't know if she bought cookies. I wanted to. I didn't end up buying any yet. I'm so happy. They're like the most ooey gooey yummy cookies ever. I can't wait to eat these. Oh, this is seriously like the best box ever. Oh, what's this? We've got so much stuff this month. The Reveal Makeup Brush, Cleaning Bowl, and Pad Duo. Oh man, what a good idea. I love that it's like in a bowl so you don't make a huge mess. Let's see what it says on here. So this is $9. It says throw away dirt, oil, bacteria buildup on with multiple textures. Yeah, I love stuff like this. This is such a good idea to include in here. So yeah, the Reveal Makeup Brush, Cleaning Bowl, and Pad Duo is an innovative device featuring 4 textures designed to gently work between makeup brush bristles for enhanced deep cleansing on both eye and face brushes. Uses a bowl to soak brushes to break up old powder, liquid, dirt, and oil, and then claps and uses a pad to clean the brushes. Made of medical grade silicone, it is an easy to use tool for cleaning and restoring makeup brushes to as good as new. Yay! I totally need to clean my brushes. I have like 100 brushes to clean. It's so bad. I just keep getting new ones and I'm like so lazy. So this is a reminder, clean my brushes. And last but not least, we have our period essentials. So inside here, I selected to get organic tampons. I love that that's an option. So there's some pads in here along with the organic tampons, some tea, and some Advil, because you know you need some Advil that time of the month. And mine's about to come. This box actually came like perfect timing. Mine's due. Sorry, it's TMI. I don't believe in anything. It's like it's TMI. You can share anything with me. But it's about that time of the month, me any day now. I just like feel it brewing. And I'm gonna need this, so perfect timing, love it. And I love everything, you guys. I think this was my all-time favorite dot box, all time. So much stuff I was excited about. Oh my god, did you guys see like these cookies? I like, inner fat girl, so happy. I love the wax melts, I love the makeup stuff we got. I think that's so pretty. We got like this hair accessory. I'm totally gonna wear that maybe even tonight. Coffee scrub. The detangler, the sponge gel, like everything in here is so good. And the face masks, even like this little cable thing I really could use. Makeup eraser, always could use stuff like that. Yeah, I think the dot box is amazing. I'm so happy with this month. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information for dot box down below if you are interested in signing up or just wanna browse their website and see the other options they have. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you loved it as much as I did. This was so fun. I'm totally in the Christmas spirit. But yeah, love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.